We've been having some challenges with the test. There are some people who are really struggling, so for the next few days, we're going to have a student teacher. So I'd like to introduce to you Aisha. Give her a hand clap.
I got a condo in Manhattan. Baby girl, what's happening? You and your ass invited, so gonna get to clapping. Go pop it for a plan, pop it for me. Turn around and drop it for a plan, drop it for me. I'll rent a beach house in Miami. Wake up with no jammies. Lobster tail for dinner. Julio served that scampi. You got it if you want it. Got it if you want it. Said you got it if you want it. Take my wallet if you want it now. Jump in the Cadillac. Girl, let's put some miles on it. Anything you want, just to put a smile on it. You deserve it, baby. You deserve it all. And I'm gonna give it to you.
Oh, thank you, Dr. Rob. Hello, everybody. I first would like to tell you that I too struggled in math. It is a very difficult subject, but you will need it to get into a good college.
What if I don't want to go to college? Will I still need it?
Yeah, you still need it to graduate high school. Now, I would like to show you some of my techniques I use to pass most of my tests.
Math is just too hard to understand. The questions are too complicated.
Well, that's straight facts. The questions are difficult, but you need to get the correct mindset.
Mindset? What's that?
Do you play sport?
Yes, soccer.
When you and your teammates practice for the game, you get prepared, right?
Right. Our coach even makes us practice on Sundays.
The more you practice doing something, the better you get. Well, your brain is like a muscle in your body. The more you exercise it, the more it expands.
So you're saying if I practice doing math a lot, I'll get better?
Yes, exactly. It's called growing your mind in mathematics. Any other questions? Okay, moving on. Who can answer this question?
Mr. Turner is buying 2 types of gift cards to give as prizes to employees at a school meeting. He will buy restaurant gift cards that each cost $50. He will also buy movie theater gift cards that each cost $20. He has $450 to buy a total of 15 gift cards. How many of each gift card can Mr. Turner buy?
Okay guys, you can guess and check, but see if you can solve it using algebra. You come up and do the problem.
The first step that we'll have to do is write the problem. Then I will multiply by -20 to the second equation, so I can cancel out the y. And then I will cancel that out, and I will add both these up, which will get me -30x. Oh no, it will get me +30x equals +150. And I will divide by 30. And I would get x equals 5. Now to get y, I would use the second equation, so I would do 5 plus y equals 15. I will move the 5 from there into here, I will get 10, and y will equal 10. I have cleared the board to check my work, so I would now rewrite the equation. It was 50x plus 20y equals 450, and x plus y equals 15. Now that we know x equals 5 and y equals 10, we will check it by subbing them in first in the second equation. So 5 plus 10 equals 15, and now 50 times 5 will get you 250 plus 20 times 10, which would get you 200, and if you add them both together, you would get $450. It looks like I forgot a addition sign, so I've added it. And so now that we have checked our work, 5 equals the amount of dinner tickets, and 10 is the amount of movie tickets.
Nice job, Eduardo. Let's all give him a hand clap. Okay, so as I walked around the room, I heard a couple of people working together, which is an excellent strategy. 2 brains are better than 1. If the work is difficult, try to use a partner. If not, if it's too hard, then try to solve it by yourself. Alright, here's the next question.
Nelson moved from a city to a small town. The population of the city is 6 times 10 to the 5th power, which is about 15 times as great as a small town. Write the approximate population of the small town in scientific notation.
Okay, so I think I'll handle this one. So here we have 6.0 times 10 to the 5th power divided by 15. And we're dividing it by 15 to see how much larger the city is than the town. So this here equals 100,000, once again divided by 15, times 6, which equals 600,000 divided by 15. And 600,000 divided by 15 is 40,000. So you're going to move the decimal to find out, well, since there's 4 zeros, you're going to move the decimal to find out what it is in scientific notation. So the scientific notation version is 4.0 times 10 to the 4th power, since there was 4 zeros. Any questions? Okay.
Nice job, Aisha. Give her a hand clap. We want to take a break now as we get our phone set up, so bear with us for a few minutes. We'll be right back.
See y'all tomorrow.
Metro on that beat. But pull that, they don't like to see you winning. They wanna see you in a penitentiary. I need me a little baby who gon' listen. Girl, I don't wanna be the one you ignorant. My mama told me, boy, make a decision. Right now I gotta keep a ton of vision. I need me a little baby who gon' listen. Girl, I don't wanna be the one you ignorant. The code that they don't like to see operate. On the real, I need a who gon' cooperate. Like Kodak, they don't like to see you winning. They wanna see you in a penitentiary. I need me a little baby who gon' listen. Girl, I don't wanna be the one you ignorant. My mama told me, boy, make a decision. Right now, I gotta keep a ton of vision. I need me a little baby who gon' listen. Girl, I don't wanna be the one you ignorant. Look, Kodak, they don't like to see you winning. They wanna see you in a penitentiary. I need me a little baby who gon' listen. Girl, I don't wanna be the one you ignorant. My mama told me, boy, make a decision. Right now, I gotta keep a ton of vision. They sending all my...
Here's our next question.
A trailer will be used to transport several 40-kilogram crates to a store. The greatest amount of weight that can be loaded onto the trailer is 1,050 kilograms. An 82-kilogram crate has already been loaded onto the trailer. What is the greatest number of 40-kilogram crates that can also be loaded onto the trailer? Is it A, 24? Is it B, 25? C, 26? Or D, 27?
To solve this problem, we need to write down an equation. So since there is several 40-kilogram crates that can be loaded, we write 40x. There's also an 82-kilogram crate that's already been loaded, so plus 82. Only 1,050 kilograms can be loaded, so to find out what x is, you need to go backwards. So minus 82. That would leave you with x. 40x equals 968. Then you divide 40 on both sides, leaving you with x equals 24.2. Since there is no 0.2 that can be loaded, you just round it off, which will get you to x equals 24. Here's another question I thought you'd like.
Which table represents a relation that is not a function?
Answer D is not the answer because when you look at the inputs, the series repeat. You're not allowed to have repeating inputs with different outputs. Now back to the studio.
Here's our next question.
Hygiene has a fair number pyramid with 4 spaces and a spinner with 3 equal sized colored sections. The possible outcomes for each are shown below. What is the probability that the number pyramid will land on 3 and the spinner will stop on 1?
Hello class, today I'll be teaching you. My name is Mr. Campbell. How's your day going today? Okay, so let's get started. It says, what is the probability that the number pyramid will land on 3 and the spinner will land on blue? So you circle 3 and you circle blue and you circle number pyramid and then you circle spinner. Alright, since there's 4 numbers for the number pyramid and there's 3 numbers for the spinner, you can do 4 times 3 equals 12. That's your denominator. Alright? Since there's 1 of the 3 and 1 of the blue, do 1 times 1 equals 1, and 1/12 is your answer.
Welcome back. Math Man, dedicated to my teacher, Mr. Miller. Math Man by Dr. Robinson. Math Man is my hero. He's cool, tall, and kind. Whenever he teaches algebra, he makes it so easy and sublime. That means really easy. Nice. I now love math and always will. Because I now know it, I have a lot of money to pay all of my bills. Math Man by Dr. Robinson. Thank you, Mr. Miller, for all the help that you've given me throughout the years. Thank you, Mr. Miller.
I want to show you a problem that I would demonstrate using an effective strategy. Ariana, can you please read the question?
A number n is multiplied by -5 over 8. The product is negative 0.4. What is the value of n?
Okay, so number n is multiplied by 5, -5/8. The product is negative 0.4. What is the value of n? So n times -5/8 equals negative 0.4. Some number times a negative number equals a negative number. It has to be, this number has to be positive. So we're gonna X out A and B since they're both negative. Just try to choose C. So that's 1/4. So negative 0.4 is 4/10. A negative 4/10, which is reduced to negative 2/5. So you're gonna bring down these two things, and you're gonna get -5/8, and that equals to -5 and 32 fraction. So we're gonna see if this is equal. Multiplying, and it's not. Okay, so since we know this is our answer, let's check our work. So we're gonna do, that's 16. 16 over 25 times 5, -5/8, which equals -80/200, which reduces down to -4/10.
I like the way you did that question. I usually use guess and check. You're smart.
I got a condo in Manhattan. Baby girl, what's happening? You and your ass invited, so gonna get to clapping. Go pop it for a plan, pop it for me. Turn around and drop it for a plan, drop it for me. I'll rent a beach house in Miami. Wake up with no jammies. Lobster tail for dinner. Julio served that scampi. You got it if you want it. Got it if you want it. Said you got it if you want it. Take my wallet if you want it now. Jump in the Cadillac. Girl, let's put some miles on it. Anything you want, just to put a smile on it. You deserve it, baby. You deserve it all. And I'm gonna give it to you. Gold jewelry shining so bright. Strawberry champagne on us. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Sex by the fire at night.
All right, welcome. So let's go over the do now from this morning. Last year, 950 people attended the town's annual parade. This year, 1,520 people attended. So what is the percent increase in attendance from last year to this year? El año pasado, 950 personas asistieron al desfile anual de un pueblo. Este año asistieron 1,520 personas. ¿Cuál fue el incremento porcentual en asistencia desde el año pasado a este año? Okay, so I saw a lot of you guys wanting to put your 950 above your 1520 equal to your x over 100. And normally, that's a good idea to set up your proportion. However, they're not asking what percent of the people last year were the percent of the people this year. They're asking how much did it increase, okay? So the very first step that we have to do, la primera cosa que nosotros tenemos que hacer es disminuir la cantidad de personas de este año y del año anterior. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is subtract the amount of people from last year or from this year and take away the amount of people the year before. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to do 1520 and we're going to take away 950. Okay? And when we plug that, that'll give me 570. Okay? Now with this number, you guys can go ahead and we can put in that proportion that we were all attempting to do before. We have 570 over, what was the amount of people from the year before? 950 people. So that's going to be our out of. Okay? And when we set it up in a proportion, cuando lo resolvemos usando una proporción, siempre usamos una variable que puede ser X, N, no importa, sobre 100, right? Always we put, when we're setting up a proportion, a variable over 100 is equal to whatever fraction we're trying to resolve, okay? And then from here, we all probably should know that we just have to cross multiply, right? Tenemos que multiplicar así, un numerador con el denominador y la variable con el otro denominador. Okay? And when we multiply this together here, we have 570 times 100, which will give me 57,000. Right? 57,000 es igual a 950 por X. Is equal to 950 over X. Okay? We are going to divide this by 950, right, to cancel this out and get the X by itself. And when we divide it on this side as well, our answer that everyone should come up with, if we use our calculators, is plain and simple, 60%.
Let's pause for this commercial break.
Thanks, Dr. Rob. Well, we're here with David. So how are you doing in math?
I'm cool. My grades are passing, 65 most times.
So, do you do your homework regularly?
Nah, not really. I play my PS4 mostly. I don't know, as long as I'm passing.
Okay. Do you think your grades would improve if you did your homework?
What? I don't know.
Well, that's all we have for today, folks. Now we're gonna go back to Dr. Rob.
Even the best ball players practice before they play the real game. So we have another caller on the line. Hi, caller. What's your name and what's your question?
A cylinder and a cone have congruent heights and radii. What is the ratio of the volume of the cone to the volume of the cylinder?
All right, there are a couple things you should know about a cylinder and a cone. Since they said that the heights were the same and the radii were the same, that's the line that goes from the center of a circle to the edge of a circle, so they're the same. So basically the bases are the same and the heights are the same. The only difference between a cylinder and a cone is the cone is 1/3 the size of a cylinder. So this would be 3 times as large as the cone. So our choice would be I believe you said the cone, which is 1, to the ratio of the cylinder, which is 3, and that would be your ratio, 1 to 3.
A school principal wants to determine which type of speaker the students prefer to invite to an assembly for the entire student population. Which survey method would produce the best representative sample? Is it A, survey every 5th person who shops at a mall? B, survey all of the students on the student council? C, survey every 10th student entering the school one morning? Or D, survey all of the students who went to the last basketball game?
Okay, I got this. C would be the best answer because you're picking at random from among everyone who goes to the school. A is incorrect because not everyone shops at the mall. B is also incorrect because not every student is in the student council. And D is also incorrect because not every student goes to the basketball game.
Nice job, Lewis. Let's pause for this commercial break.
Hi, my name is Robert and I have a math joke. John Doe ate
200 candies, and there is 20 left. What does he now have? It means he now has no self-control. Ha ha ha. Ha ha.
Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Hannah. And hi, my name is Valeria.
Okay, now I see you got some food here for us. Can you tell us what you did?
I'll start. Okay. So we made math cupcakes and we used a lot of samples that we blended throughout the year.
Can you tell us about some of these symbols? Point them out.
So right here we have division, the equal sign, a dollar symbol, equal to or greater than or equal to, and just other signs. Right here we made it look like a pie, like 25%. All
You
of
have a
them.
graph.
Ooh.
You have parentheses, pi.
F of x,
F of X. Where's F of X?
right there.
Oh, I gotta see that one. Wow. And F of X, what does that mean?
It's representing functions.
Functions. And that means Y, I believe. Another way of saying Y. Well, I have some other questions I want to ask. First question. Did you actually make the cupcakes yourself?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
Okay. And they look really, really good, like you can buy them in a store. How long did it take you to make them?
2 hours.
2 hours? Really?
But she already pre-made some of the
Chocolates.
And
That was going to take a long time.
Okay.
And then we did all the batter, everything yesterday. We just finished it up.
Now the icing on the top, you girls bought that you did that? How'd you make all these letters and symbols?
So, since I already baked before, I had the piping bags. So we made chocolate circles and then we piped everything on top of this.
Oh, okay. Wow, that's really good. Now I just got one last question for you. Now, how many cookies? These are all cupcakes. How many did you make?
24.
Yeah, but
And that'll feed how many? The whole class, I hope?
I'm pretty sure.
Plus the teacher?
Yeah.
All right. Well, ladies, I thank you for making these delicious looking cupcakes, and hopefully we'll enjoy them in class later on. See you later.
bye.
Hi, my name is Kinani, and I have some rainbow words to share with you. Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean theorem is c squared equals a squared plus b squared. Sales tax. Sales tax is the amount added to the price. Scientific notation. Scientific notation is a way to abbreviate very large or very small numbers using the power of 10. Y-intercept formula. Y equals mx plus or minus b. Interquartile range, IQR. IQR is the difference between the third quartile and the first quartile. IQR equals Q3 minus Q1. Probability. Probability is the extent at which something is probable, the likelihood of something happening or being the case. Slope. Slope equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. A surface at which one end or side is at a higher level than another. Parallel lines. Lines at the same plane that never intersect. Discount formula. T equals P parentheses 1 minus R. The reduction from the usual price of something. And rational numbers. A rational number is a number that can be written as a quotient of two integers where the divisor is not 0. My name is Kinani.
My name is Nelson, and these are my rainbow words. This is Pythagorean theorem, acute angles, obtuse angles, and supplementary angle.
Hi, my name is Gabriel Gamboa, and
Hi, my name is Kimberly Huerta-Tanga.
And we made a game.
So what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to match the words with the definitions to complete the puzzle.
So you would put them all down, and then you would try match them. For example, a shape with 4 equal sides, that would be a square. So you would connect them, and then you would keep playing on. So answer to division, so that would be function. Where is that? No. So then you would connect this, and then you would keep going until you finish the game. And, yeah.
So what shape does it make?
It just makes a sheet like this.
So what's the shape?
Just a rectangle.
A rectangle? So you're gonna make a rectangle out of all that?
Yeah.
Okay.
My name is Diane Bisaca.
Hi, my name is Nathan Espinoza, and Leslie Rivas helped us make this project too. This is a matching game.
And real numbers matches with is the set of the constants of all rational and irrational numbers.
Whole numbers match with 0 plus all counting numbers.
And then all positive and negative and whole counting numbers, 0 included, integers go with it.
The average of the absolutes deviation from the mean is mean absolutes deviation.
Now I have a question. How do you know when it's right?
Because the colors match.
The colors match.
Okay. Very good. Thank you. And you said Leslie helped make this game too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, thank you, Leslie.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Diana, and thank you, Nathan.
Hi, my name is Asia, and here's my first rainbow word. Probability. Probability measures the chance of something happening based on the number. Compound events. Compound events consist of 2 or more events. Permutation. An arrangement of objects in a particular or distinct order. Line plot. A graph that shows the shape of each data set by stacking x's above each data value. Dot plot. A graph that shows the shape of a data set by stacking circles above each value. Sampling. A smaller group taken from its population. Median. The middle score. Tally. To count up the data. Mean. The average. IQR, interquartile range, is the difference between the third and first quartile. Thank you. My name is Asia.
My name is Eduardo, and this is my math poem. Dr. Rob teaches you amazing math. If you do his homework though, you will see his wrath. Thank you.
I'm like, bro, where's your work? Can't keep this work on my paper. Hey, I'm still like my form. Hey, I'm not getting kept no more. Hey, Jamal was still going to be friends. Hey, I did my work, Dr. Rabbit Man. Louis, see my work. Look at my paper, it's 10. Just did part of the work. What the shit to Dr. Rob? Hey, Dr. Rob's my math teacher. He said you don't like showing work. He asked where is the slope. I said I forgot it at home. He said is it linear? I said it's a quadratic or more. I'm David, and this was helped by Luis Fernandez.
Hi, my name is Johnny, and I have some jokes for you. Why was the math book sad? Because it had so many problems. What do you call a crushed angle? A rectangle. What did the triangle say to the circle? You're pointless. What's an owl's favorite type of math? Algebra. What do you call a snake that is 3.14 feet long? A python. My name is Johnny, and those are my math jokes.
I got a condo in Manhattan. Baby girl, what's happening? You and your ass invited, so gonna get to clapping. Go pop it for a plan, pop it for me. Turn around and drop it for a plan, drop it for me. I'll rent a beach house in Miami. Wake up with no jammies. Lobster tail for dinner. Julio served that scampi. You got it if you want.
Hi Aisha, can you work with me? I want to get my grades up.
Yeah, sure, no problem.
If you want it now, jump in the Cadillac. Girl, let's put some miles on it. Anything you want, just to put a smile on it. You deserve it, baby, you deserve it all. And I'm gonna give it to you. Gold jewelry shining so bright. Strawberry champagne on us. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Sex by the fire at night. Silk sheets and diamonds, all white. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. I'm talking trips to Puerto Rico. Say the word and we go. You can be my flica. Girl, I'll be a flico, mamacita. I would never make a promise that I can't keep. I promise that your smile ain't gonna never leave. Shopping sprees in Paris, everything 24 carats. Take a look in that mirror. Now tell me who's the fairest. Is it you? Is it you? Is it me? Is it me? Say it's us, and I'll agree, baby. Jump in the Cadillac. Girl, let's put some miles on it. Anything you want, just to put a smile on it. You deserve it, baby, you deserve it all. And I'm gonna give it to you. Gold jewelry shining so bright. Strawberry champagne on us. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Sex by the fire.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the day that we've been waiting for. It's the day of your test. So remember, you got to use number 2 pencil. Do your best. Good luck. You may begin.
That's what I like. You say you want a good time, but here I am, baby. Here I am, baby. Talk to me, tell me. What's on your mind? If you want it, girl, come and get it. All this is here for you. Tell me, baby. Tell me, baby. What you tryna do?
We would like to thank our principal, Mr. Lewis, for the support of the study video, and a special thanks to everybody who helped create this film.
Test taking tips. Overview. Get plenty of sleep the night before your test. Eat a good breakfast the morning of your test. Bring a watch. Plan to spend 1 to 2 minutes per question. If you are nervous, stop and take 3 deep breaths. Underline important words or phrases. Keep your scratch work neat and organized. Do easy computations with pencil and paper. Use a calculator for the rest, if permitted. Cross out answer choices you know are wrong. Do the easy questions first. Do not stop to work on difficult questions. Skip them and return to them later if you have time remaining. Change an answer only when you are sure your first choice is wrong. Unless you are told not to guess, mark an answer for every question. Be careful to mark each answer in the right place and fill in the mark completely. Think positively by telling yourself, I have studied and I know this, I will do well. Good luck on your test.
Hey, you're still here? You didn't think this was a love story, did you? Nope, just a math movie.